so it's National Hopia Day. July 21, 2024. SM Mall of Asia Music Hall. Sunday. Apparently, it's National Hopia Day, according to Eng Bee Tin. They run it out here. Okay, so it's National Hopia Day. Sponsored by Eng Bee Tin. Go check it out. Alright, we're inside the National Hopia Day meeting thing. That's cool, there are Hopia freebies and stuff. That's cool. Okay. So this is strawberry Hopia. Nah, no thanks. Ah, fine, whatever. Let's try it. Let's try it. Strawberry Hopia. There's like strawberry. Okay. Not really something Hopia should go, but oh well. What the fuck is Shibuya? And then, no, that's a no. What is this? Hopiang Sibuyas. Okay. That's bamboo. That's bamboo. Okay, we can get more of that later. Let's try this Hopia Kamote. Okay. And let's do it. How about you? Okay, now we taste the kamote. Okay. Okay, tasting that. Oh wow, the sisig one tastes like sisig. Man, there's like giant. Eng Bee Tin. What is Hopia? Okay. Let me think. What do I like better? Ham or pork? Can't really think about it. Like mahogany. The Legend of UBE Hopia. Okay. Okay, the story of Hopia. I don't even like UBE Hopia. It's a travesty. Let's go look at some more Hopia. Oh, over here is a Hopia pressure bag. What's that? It's a Hopia bowl pit. Okay. What does that look like? It's a Hopia bowl? Okay. Yeah, it's a stage and Asking for you. Let's take a look at that later. I'm gonna get copies for this music. I have been gonna get my voice up. What is this? Ambient human. Oh. Okay. Kailangan bumili muna. Kailangan bumili. Milk they're selling some. Okay. So this one is Ube Latte milk tea. This one is fried xiaolongbao, 150 bucks for 5. That's a little bit high end. I don't even see. Are they out of stock? I think they're out of stock. I don't know what this is. It seems like some. Oh, it's a sack race. It's a Hopia. Recent sack race. Fine, let's take a look at this. Kids are about to engage in some sack racery. Who are we betting on? Betting on Uber or Gold Start? Look. Okay. The red one didn't quite make it all the way to the other end, but that'll do. Let's take a look at this. Oh, there's a shop over here. I actually like their pop beans, so I'm gonna try to look for those. Hopia, okay lang. It's kinda okay. Oh, no, I like their meat, well, like their savory foods. What is this? Basket Warrior. Okay. That's some game. National Hopia Day goes. We didn't actually spend for this. That's crazy. Considering I do like the products. I'm gonna go look at the shop and get myself some Eng Bee Tin pop beans now. OC Mallrat signing out.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.